What's up, team? It's Tiarrea B, naturally, and in today's video I am here just vlogging my day. So far it's been pretty good. I am a little sad that I missed church this morning. I don't know if it was the daylight savings or what, but I just did not get up in time and get ready in time, so I had to catch it online. But yeah, so I'm rolling. It's currently 1:21 p.m. I am in the process of door dashing and Ubering and Grubhubbing. Grubhub been coming through. So I just picked up a Jack Sacks order. I'm about to head over to BB Bop and pick up this order. So yeah, just vibe with me today and I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, so far we're at about $40. My goal today is just simply $50. It's a nice day out. I wanted to get some fresh air and then get back to the house and hang out with the family. So that's what we're doing. So we're about $10 away from goal, but I did stop to get some lunch because I skipped breakfast somehow. I went straight for the coffee and now it's 2:17 p.m. So I grabbed some food from Zoli's. And a pretty good deal, I believe. Gonna try this pasta. This is a chicken Alfredo pasta. And I've already had their pizza, so I know it's amazing. I'll show it to you. Let me see. I don't know if y'all can see. Hold on. A little pepperoni pizza. And it also comes with 2 breadsticks. All that for like $7 and some change. So good job on the value there. I'm gonna try this pasta with you guys real quick, and then I'm gonna get on through my lunch break. My son, I dropped him off at work actually, you know what? My clock in my car is an hour off because of daylight savings, so it's actually 3:18. Let me make sure. Yeah, it's actually 3:18. So my clock says 2:18 in my car, but my phone knows the truth. So it's really 3:18. I drop my son off at work at 2 p.m. So he gets off work at 6. So I'll probably just be kind of out hanging out for, like I said, it shouldn't take much longer to get $10 more. But we'll see. Let's get into this. Let's get into this pasta. Well, let's see. So far it doesn't look like anything special. There's no chicken or anything in here. It's just Alfredo sauce with Alfredo noodles, but I don't know, Alfredo sauce can taste different. So let's just see what it's giving. It's served nice and hot. It's pretty good. Pretty good. It's nicely seasoned. The texture of the noodles is pretty awesome. So, no complaints. Very good. But yeah, that's it. So I'm going to enjoy my lunch, and then I'll pick you guys back up as the day progresses. So, stay tuned. Decided to just call it for a little bit. It is so nice outside. I mean, look at this. It is 63 degrees outside, and so I ate, and then I went ahead and went back through the drive-thru and got some food for the family. So I decided to bring that home and then just take a little bit of a break. Probably, like I said, I want to spend some time with the family, so I'll probably bring the kids outside and play some badminton or something with them and just really enjoy the sunlight. I mean, gosh, that's amazing. So that being said, I just want you guys to do something that makes you excited today. Do something that makes you smile, whether it's self-care or doing some exercise, just something, you guys. It's Saturday or whenever you guys are watching this video, so do something that makes you smile before the work week gets back going. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this short vlog. Also stay tuned because I have been doing growing YouTuber shout outs on my community tab daily. So if you want to be featured in a growing YouTuber shout out, comment down below and I'll try to get to you in one of these up and coming days, okay? Because we got to stick together as growing YouTubers, and I am cheering you guys on and just trying to help you guys make it in these YouTube streets, okay? Anywho, listen, I'm Tiarrea B, and I am out. Blessings.